Hi, and welcome again to Annie's Angle and Annie's Kitchen. Can you guess what it is? Of course you can. It's St. Patty's Day. Oh yeah. So, I got a little story to tell you, but before I do, grab a cup of coffee. 'Tis Irish I am. And I know the Irish like tea, but I like coffee. You know, I worked in an airport for many years, and my maiden name is Clancy. So, well, I still kept that name. It's my middle name sometimes, because people in the airport never called me by my first name. They called me Clancy. They go, "Hey, Clancy." And my friend said, after I married, she said, "Can I still call you Clancy? I don't want to call you by your first name because I'm so used to it." I said, "Go ahead, I love it." So that stuck with me. Wherever I went, they called me Clancy. And, you know, and as a child, I remember my music teacher would always he said, "Clancy, get up and do the Irish jig." I'm like, I didn't know how to do the Irish jig, but I wish I knew. But he'd say, and I'd have to sing "'Tis Irish I am," and sit and do the Irish jig. And luckily I had kids in the class that came up with me. They knew how to do it, so I kind of would follow them. Not very well, but I would. They knew how to do that. So I wish I did. I wish I took lessons on the Irish jig. You know, my grandparents are from County Cork, Ireland. They are, and I want to visit Ireland. That's one of the places I want to see. And I want to go to, there's probably a lot of Clancy's over there, right? So, I'm making Irish potatoes called Colcannon. And I buy organic whenever I can. And these are Russet potatoes, and I'm going to use the skins. Oh yeah. And I'm going to put kale in there, fresh kale, scallions, and half and half. It makes it very creamy. And bacon. I'm going to put in there. And I'm going to mash it with a masher, the good old-fashioned way. You really don't want to put it in an electric blender or like anything like that. You want to mash them by hand. And I'm going to use olive oil. They use butter. I don't. I like olive oil. I love potatoes. Do you like potatoes? It's so versatile. You can make potato pancakes. There's so many things you could do with potatoes. It's just such a versatile, and make it any way you want. Yummy. I love potatoes. And you could peel them, or not peel them. I don't peel my potatoes because I do use organic. And there's more vitamins. We even tried to grow potatoes. They dig. You have to dig for them. They hide under the soil. We had blue potatoes and red potatoes one year, which were very good, but you have to dig for them. It's great. So come on into my kitchen and let's make Irish potatoes. Woo! 'Tis Irish I am that you're gonna like. I have 6 strips of bacon. I'm gonna place that in the toaster oven until that's done. About 15-20 minutes, and I have 6 potatoes here. We're gonna place that in the water, and we're gonna boil that and put that on the stove. And we're going to cook that until that's tender. The potatoes are tender. And then we're going to mash them. Now while the bacon's cooking and the potatoes are boiling, I'm going to put on my stove, and I have added a little bit of olive oil, just a little on the coat of the pan. And we're going to cook our scallions, our 2 scallions. And as much kale as you like. People use cabbage as well. I don't. So I have it full of kale. And which is going to cook down. There's about 7 leaves of kale there. But it's going to cook down. And we'll come back. Now, first thing I did was wash my potatoes. And Trader Joe's always had this wash, fruit and vegetable wash, but now they have an organic one, which I use. So what I do is I wash the potatoes, and I cut them up, and then place them in boiling water. And they are boiling right now. And my kale cooked down a little bit. I'm going to cook it a little bit more when my potatoes are done. And my bacon is cooking. So I'm going to drain my potatoes in this colander, and we'll come back. And I'm going to heat up 3/4 of a cup of half and half when I mash them. And we'll just set that aside until we're ready to mash them with the bacon. So my potatoes are done, and I'm going to place them in here and mash them. Excuse my hands, but some, oh boy, feed the floor, that's why. Now we're going to mash these. I'll just start mashing them like so. I really like using a hand tool. And then we're going to add about 3/4 of a cup by half and half. And I warmed that up. We're going to get that nice and creamy. Keep mashing that. Oh, it's spilling all over. We'll come back in 1 second and I'll show you when they're mashed. So these potatoes look nice and smooth. And then now I'm going to add my kale and my scallions to this. And I've drained the fat off the bacon, and I'm going to add my bacon to this. And then we're going to give that a good stir. Wow, it looks really amazing. And then we're going to give it a taste. And you can probably put this in the oven for a little bit to get it warm, the toaster oven, when you're going to serve it. And there we go. Doesn't that look beautiful? And we're going to give it a taste. I think it really, really turned out really nice. But now we're going to taste it and we'll let you know how it is. I'm going to add a touch of black pepper to this. Just a little bit of black pepper around. And a dash of paprika around. And that's it. And then we're going to stir that in. Wow, it really smells good. You have the bacon, the kale, the scallions, and it really makes it nice. And this is the finished product. It looks pretty amazing, doesn't it? And I can't wait to give it a taste. So did you make yours so you can taste it with me? You know, it's funny, when I was doing this video, the electric went out. All of a sudden, all my lights went out, and I'm like, oh no, right in the middle. Because normally for a 10 to 15 minute video, it takes me from 6 to 8 hours to do a video. It really does. So when the lights go out and I don't have it, I'm like, whoa, when are they coming on? So I can, you know, so it was like about 15 minutes later they came back on, and I'm like, wow, because I didn't want the lights to go out today, because I'd have to, maybe tomorrow I'd have to do it, and that's rough, because as I said, it takes me a while to do these videos. So let's take a taste, should we? Of course we should. Come on. Really good, as my Aunt Margaret used to say, that's grand. You know, everything was, that's grand. I guess she wasn't from Ireland, but my grandmother was, so maybe my grandmother said it a lot. In fact, my father didn't say that. So I was surprised. You know, my aunts used to say that, but not him. So, like this video, subscribe to my channel. For those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I love your comments. They really help me grow. Thank you for that, and thank you for taking the time for writing. So, come again, we'll be cooking up a storm. I love to cook. I love fashion. I'm a fitness instructor. I love crafts. I like everything, but most of all, I like being with you. So, come again and have a real nice day. Bye-bye for now.